Howdy, Jeff here again, All Seasons RV in Streetsboro, Ohio. Today, I'm going to be going over a little bit of maintenance on the Briggs and Stratton 3000 watt inverter generator. A couple of accessories to get when purchasing the generator are, you get this nice little spark plug wrench here. Comes with a nice little bar here so you can torque on it in case it's a little tight. You do get this little screwdriver, flathead, and Phillips options. And then additionally, you get this nice little wrench here in case you need to access the carburetor. Comes with these little jumper cables here so you can plug into 12 volt and jump your car battery, RV battery, whatever. Anything that has a battery, you can jump it. You're going to get this nice little adapter plug. You're going to plug it right into the generator. Give a little twist, and then you got your 30 amp shore power so you can plug it right into your RV off the grid camping. Additionally, you're going to get this nice little funnel and a 20 ounce bottle of Briggs and Stratton small engine oil. So the first thing you're going to do is put oil into the generator. You're going to unscrew these two screws here, pull off your little maintenance cover. Right down there is where you're going to access your oil fill and dipstick. Unscrew that till it comes free. A nice little dipstick attached to the cap for you. You can use your funnel, fill it until you can see the oil there in the hole. And it is a good practice to wipe it up just to keep it clean so nothing's getting in there. And screw your cap back on. Nice and tight. Additionally, you've got your access for your air filter and a breather filter right there. Unscrew that. Take your panel off, then you can remove your air filter, change that guy out, and your breather if you ever needed to. Okay. Next, I would like to show you the access port for the spark plug. Easy way to get this open is to utilize the flathead screwdriver end. You're going to pry it open right there until it comes free. You've got that little silver sleeve there is going to be the top to the spark plug. You're going to just wiggle it till it comes free. That's how you access the spark plug. At this time, you can use your wrench, get it on there, and free it up, change it out, whatever you need to do. Once you're done, tighten it back down. Put your little silver guy back on there. And cover him back up. So some of the features that you're going to get with the Briggs and Stratton 3000 watt generator are you get this 12 volt plug right here to utilize for your jumper cables. You've got 4 20 amp outlets. You've got your 120 volt plug right there. You've got a parallel plug right there, so if you ever wanted to get a second generator and have them run in unison, you could do that. You've got this little ground, and then we've got the quiet power technology. What that's going to do for you is once you start the generator, you turn that on, it's going to greatly reduce your fuel consumption, and it's just going to run a lot more efficient with that. Got your fuel cap right here. It does come with this nice little screen to filter out any impurities, anything like that. And you've got your nice gauge right there. The Briggs and Stratton generator does take 87 octane. You can put in the higher octane fuel. It will run a little better for you. And I hope that helped when considering purchasing a Briggs and Stratton 3000 watt generator. Thank you.